I'm Jeff Thurn, General Manager at MetalCraft. MetalCraft has been around for 41 years. We're a medical device manufacturer. We manufacture the hand tools that the surgeons use during the surgery. So we're standing here in front of a Jingdiao 5-axis machining center with a 24 pallet. When we were looking for machines, we were looking for a higher accuracy machine than most of our equipment, and the Jingdiao has lived up to those expectations. When we were looking for the high accuracy without the high cost that comes with some manufacturers. And Jingdiao fit that bill, and their support, while originally I was a little concerned out of Chicago, has not been an issue. They're here the next day. They've done a very good job of supporting us with what we're working on in our machine.
So I'm John here at MetalCraft. I've been a CNC machinist my whole life, and when we got this new piece of equipment, it made us more capable of more accurate work to fit our customers' needs. And with the ease of use and the accuracy, the setups and the changeover from different job to job, and utilizing quick change fixturing has created a much more productive, profitable environment, and we run lights out a lot. So it's really turned out to be a good fit for our company. So on this Jingdiao, we have this onboard machine measurement system with basically uses the Renishaw probe so that we can measure a specific feature or more than one feature to check the part while it's in the machine to basically verify that it fits our specs before we go and change over to another pallet. The Jingdiao is a feature basically capable of measuring the tool that you're using, especially for finishing very complicated 3D features, say a ball end mill. And not all tools are perfectly to size, so it'll automatically compensate the tool for you with the 3-dimensional cutter compensation. So with our Jingdiao we have here, we can use the plume laser to basically 3-dimensionally compensate parts with, measuring the tool on the laser to basically get a very accurate within microns sizing, especially for tight profile tolerances.